TIPRA Accord set to take place in Delhi on September 5. While he did not provide specific details without naming anyone, Deb Burma suggested that the remaining members of the banned militant group NLFT are expected to surrender, a move in which TIPRA has played a crucial role.
On the 5th, you'll get a big news of something happening in Delhi in regard to bringing in long-term peace, and we want to, and after that, the talks will commence. But let something happen the next few days, which I'm sure the Home Ministry itself will notify everyone. Behind the scenes, we have worked very hard to bring normalcy, to end insurgency. After that, all stakeholders, including TIPRA Motha, will get into this TIPRA Sarkar talks. Having said IPFT's demand for TIPRA land, it is also my demand for greater TIPRA land, and I've never given up my demand for greater TIPRA land. It is there, it will remain. If I don't get it tomorrow, somebody else will get it. If not tomorrow, after 5 years, after 10 years. But as long as the Constitution of India says that you have a right to ask under Article 2 and 3, a separate state, we will ask. That is our way of articulating our unhappiness with the union government. Let the union government come up with a concrete suggestion that we don't ask that. But till the time they don't come and give us something concrete, we have every right within the Constitution to ask for a greater TIPRA land, and I will ask that.
Meanwhile, in a significant revelation, Deb Burma hinted at a major development related to the TIPRA Accord set to take place in Delhi on September 5th. While he did not provide specific details without naming anyone, Deb Burma suggested that the remaining members of the banned militant group NLFT are expected to surrender, a move in which TIPRA Motha has played a crucial role.